Insurance carriers are interesting in that they own their own growth challenges. And since they work through brokers predominantly, they don't actually have any direct interaction with the end customer. They are kind of waiting for the phone to ring for a broker to say, here's a small business, I need you to quote these specs. A carrier doesn't really have a lot of opportunity to influence that sale other than to send back the specs and the quotes. And so we're in conversations with a number of carriers to say, well, how can we differentiate ourselves beyond just price? There are a number of different ways, but it is, again, from arm's length because they're not talking to the end customer. So can they bring more expertise to that broker? They get a quote from a broker. Their sales rep will then, obviously work up the quote. They could also, using all of their data, create some advisory tools specifically for the carrier sales rep. And so they could type in the specs, industry, customer size, what the specs are, and say, based on customers in your industry of similar size, here are other parts of the policy that they should have. Here's why. And so now, instead of just sending back a quote based on what was asked, they're sending back what was quoted, maybe also sending back another quote as well that includes the additional elements that most businesses that look just like them have, with an explanation as to why. To give that broker more ammo, more ability to go and have a consultative discussion around these additional benefits. So there's a number of different use cases where the idea of helping the carrier seller bring more value to that interaction with the broker than just price.